In today's video, I am going to teach you how to dropship from Indiamart to Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify admin and log into the store where you want to add your dropshipping products. This is the main control center for your online store. So this is where you will manage your products, apps, orders, and sales settings. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are working in the correct store before moving forward. Next, from the Shopify admin menu, go to Apps, and then open the Shopify App Store. This is where you can add tools that extend what your Shopify store can do. Since Shopify does not directly import products from every supplier website by default, an app can help make the product importing and order management process much easier. In the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look for a dropshipping automation app. One common example is Importify, but the exact app you choose may depend on the features you need and the websites it supports. Look for an app that allows product importing, editing, and order management. Once you find the app you want to use, install it by following the on-screen prompts inside Shopify. After the app is installed, connect it to your Shopify store and create an account if the app requires one. This connection is important because it allows the app to send product information directly into your Shopify catalog. During this setup, you may need to approve permissions so the app can access products, orders, and other store data needed for the workflow. Once the app is connected, open the app dashboard and look for its browser extension or built-in product search tool. Some apps use a Chrome extension to import products from supplier websites, while others provide a search or import feature inside the app itself. Follow the app's setup instructions so the importing tool is ready before you browse for products. Now go to Indiamart and browse for the product you want to sell in your Shopify store. Take your time here and look for a product that matches your niche, pricing strategy, and customer expectations. You should also pay attention to the supplier information, product images, and available details on the product page, because these will help you decide whether the item is suitable for your store. When you are on the product page you want to import, use the app's browser extension or import tool and click Add to Import List. This does not usually publish the product to your store right away. Instead, it saves the product inside the app so you can review and edit it before it appears in your Shopify catalog. Next, return to the app dashboard and open your import list. This is where you can clean up the product details before sending the item to your store. Edit the title so it sounds clear and professional. Adjust the price based on your desired profit margin. Review the description and make sure it explains the product in a way that is useful for your customers. This is also the point where you can remove any unnecessary supplier text and make the listing fit your store's style. Once the product details look good, click Push to Store. This will sync the item from the app into your Shopify product catalog. After the sync is complete, the product should appear inside Shopify, where you can review it again if needed. This step is what officially moves the item from your import list into your store's product section. From there, you will manage orders through the app's dashboard, so they can be fulfilled through the Indiamart supplier. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, you will use the app to track the order information and coordinate fulfillment with the supplier. Make sure you monitor order status regularly so customers receive updates and the process stays organized. That covers everything you need to know.